Hello, this is how to replace a speedometer output sensor on a Chrysler Town and Country 2001 to 2007. Keep in mind that some people will say that the sensors are the same, but the output sensor is different than the input sensor. Go underneath the tire in order to reach the output sensor near the transmission and use a 1 1/16 inch socket in order to remove it. You can also use a pair of pliers or an adjustable wrench in order to help you. So this is what it looks like when the output sensor has been removed. To insert the new sensor, you're going to have to go back underneath the tire. Don't try to do it from the top. Go underneath and then use a socket wrench or adjustable wrench to tighten it down. You may want to use gloves. This is how you replace an output speedometer sensor on a Chrysler Town and Country. I hope you like this. Like and subscribe if you did.